The City College Biotech program has afforded me the opportunity to broaden my skills and open the door to the well-established and still growing biotech industry in the Bay Area. I've cultured cells, operated a bioreactor to produce recombinant proteins, and purified them using chromatography, all while following good manufacturing practices, thus gaining the knowledge, skills, and hands-on experience desired in the biotech industry, an industry where I could have a meaningful career making a positive impact on society. The area of biotech that interests me is blood therapeutics, particularly platelets, which are the components of whole blood that control bleeding and prevent life-threatening hemorrhages. 1.68 million people are expected to be diagnosed with cancer in 2016, and patients undergoing chemotherapy and radiation, as well as cardiac surgery, organ and bone marrow transplant, often require platelet transfusions. Those who suffer chronic blood diseases can require multiple transfusions throughout their lives. Major issues with platelets include their short shelf life, only 5 days compared to 56 days for red blood cells, donation-dependent supply, and highly unpredictable demand due to sudden traumas. As a result, 20 to 40% of collected platelets are thrown out. In regards to donation-dependent supply, scientists use bioreactors to grow the stem cells that produce blood cells. Researchers produced 1.2 million platelets per day, while production continued for more than 32 days, a threefold improvement in both platelet quantity and production duration compared to platelets grown in cell culture flasks. Toward eliminating the need for donated platelets and blood stem cells, there is work on producing platelets synthetically. Chemical-based polymeric particles can mimic the size, shape, and surface functionality of natural platelets, but are orders of magnitude more rigid. To solve this problem of flexibility, a polymeric template is used as a core upon which layers of proteins and polyelectrolytes are deposited, layered, and then cross-linked to create a stable synthetic platelet-shaped particle. The rigid polymeric core is then dissolved to give the particle the desired flexibility. The particle is then coated with proteins found on the surface of natural platelets. These synthetic platelets may be used to not only perform the typical function of human platelets, but may be used also to carry imaging agents to identify damaged blood vessels, or to deliver drugs that dissolve blood clots. While this research and that being conducted at UCSF and the Blood Systems Research Institute here in San Francisco may one day solve the shelf life and supply issues of platelets, there is not yet a substitute for human blood, where a single donation can save 3 lives. We all have a life-saving, renewable resource flowing within us, so please donate blood, like I am, here at the Blood Centers of the Pacific in San Francisco. Whether I first gain experience through an internship in BTech 14B or can directly find work and start my career, City College biotech courses I've taken and those I hope to take in the future have greatly enhanced my interest in and qualifications for a career in biotechnology.